Greetings, Blender enthusiasts. Today we are going to talk about Blender Low Poly Environment course, your gateway to mastering low poly 3D design. Whether you're a beginner or an intermediate Blender user, this course is tailored to enhance your skills and introduce you to the world of low poly modeling. Course highlights: modeling. Dive into creating an array of 3D models, from charming houses and lighthouses to props and trees. Learn the essential techniques to breathe life into your virtual environments. Materials and lighting. Discover how to add textures, colors, and lighting effects to your scenes. Unleash the power of materials and environmental lighting to elevate the visual appeal of your low poly creations. Character creation and rigging. Unlock the secrets of crafting low poly characters and bring them to life through rigging. Whether you're interested in game design or animation, this course equips you with the skills to animate your characters seamlessly. Scene composition. Learn how to arrange and organize your models within a virtual space to create visually compelling and balanced scenes. Discover the principles that make a low poly composition visually striking and tell a captivating story within your 3D environments. And that's just the beginning.